Around the world, the face of business is changing. The web brings a new way to interact with computers. People already envision new applications, real-time simulation, sophisticated marketing, but the scope of these far surpasses what current systems can support, and there has been no way to approach it at a small, affordable scale. The dreams are bigger than real-world capabilities. What's needed is a revolution.
The revolutionary part of the Origin systems is that we've replaced the traditional bus-based multiprocessor with a switch-based multiprocessor, and then on top of that, we've distributed the system so that the components are not centralized around the switch, but units are organized into nodes, which include processors, memory, and an I/O interface that creates a very modular system.
Scalable, shared memory multiprocessing. The basic building block is the S2MP node, 2 CPUs, memory, and a lot of I/O. You'll find 1 or 2 of these in the Origin 200, the smaller desk-side version of the Origin family. Put 4 of these nodes together, and you have the 8-processor Origin 2000 module, housed in the large desk-side package. Now the real fun begins. Hook together several Origin 2000 modules in hypercube configurations using Cray-Link interconnections, and you're going where no one has gone before. In the Origin 2000 rack mount, we have left behind all traditional methods of moving data around, along with the bottlenecks that came with them.
This is a very innovative architecture, and Silicon Graphics has really shown some leadership and some vision in bringing out this product.
To go and make this kind of leap is exactly what I was hoping from Silicon Graphics, because it needs to be a revolutionary leap to stay ahead of all the other competitors in the marketplace.
As you grow a system by adding these modules, you also increase processor and memory capacity, I/O bandwidth, and overall systems bandwidth. No matter how large the data, it will not bottleneck the system.
The main goal was really just providing a system that had very good memory and I/O bandwidth, very good I/O connectivity, very low latency memory.
The Origin system has been designed to handle today's big problems and to scale up to solve tomorrow's even bigger problems.
We can basically start small and to be able to grow and build on the system so that we can go right through into mid-range, high-level computing right from the same architecture.
The ability to scale from a small configuration to a very large configuration without having to do wholesale swap-outs of hardware is pretty unique.
On the Origin 2000, what I talked about was how well it scales upward. The other advantage is that it scales very nicely downward.
The Origin 2000 server can expand seamlessly from a single processor desk-side system to a powerful 128 processor server without disruptive and expensive box swaps. Before now, this has never been available. But what about software?
The most important thing to remember if you're thinking about getting into scalable computing is it's the software, stupid. There's no real other question that all of the money, all of your time, everything is in the software. So you've got to get a scalable solution that conserves your software.
The first day you buy this machine and turn it on, it'll run your applications in binary form exactly as they stand. We can take you in an incremental fashion to running right out of the box to running optimally out of the box.
It is really the first server line to do truly integrated distributed shared memory.
And that's, I think, one of the greatest advantages to the new Silicon Graphics product line is that it matches very, very well with this desire to have software and hardware working together, solving real customer problems.
Using our products allows customers to do inquiries by chemical structure, which is a complex process. With the power of the Origin 2000, they'll be able to do that much more. They not only change how fast they do their work, but they change the kind of work they do because of the power of the machine they're using.
That's the other piece of the S2MP. Not only is it scalable, it's also shared memory. That means it runs applications written for today's shared memory environment. And it's binary compatible with all other Silicon Graphics workstations.
What that means is we're going to get that rich environment, that environment that everyone likes on the desktop with all those nice tools and graphics ability and user interfaces and development environments, and be able to have those all the way up to the supercomputer.
The Origin 2000 really gives us the ability to go and match our software into whatever product the customer wants, to match what he needs to go into growing his business on the web.
Origin supports multiple applications, ranging from technical to commercial serving needs. Altogether, these capabilities make Origin 2000 the ideal center of the innovative enterprise. Your future computing solutions begin here and now with the Origin family product line. A great start would be the Origin 200. This system packs all the S2MP technology into the small desk-side version we mentioned earlier.
With the Origin 200 product, we had a firm desire to hit a very low cost point, but to do so without sacrificing any of the performance.
One of the things that Silicon Graphics is very well known for is its graphics performance. But I think sort of a secret is that you guys actually build very good I/O serving machines. And in the network-centric computing space that we're in today, that's sort of the core of what a lot of businesses use.
With that kind of I/O performance, the Origin 200 makes a tremendous renderer, database engine, and file and compute server, and the best web server in its class.
Our team has worked really hard in the last 2 or 3 years to understand real customer problems, the problems that are really keeping information systems departments and users of computer systems from accomplishing their objectives.
Origin 200 is the most affordable of the new Silicon Graphics servers and puts you into a whole new level of performance and value. Its innovative S2MP technology enables you to obtain the power you need today and the scalability for tomorrow.